Raquel, what's your signature move?
Like the one I made?
Uh-huh.
I called it the tripod, just tri meaning three, pod meaning feet, because it's three different footworks.
Oh,
And
nice.
that's cute.
Okay. And you take your choreography from where?
My demo. Just
Okay.
stall.
Okay. Okay. And what's your verbal choice and why?
My verbal choice, it goes to the song. It says, like, he says it as well. It's here we go, because well, here we go, because that's when it gets really, like, serious, I guess.
Okay. So is there any emotion or personality that you display in the choreography?
During my the street move that I made up, it gets sly,
Okay.
devious, I guess.
Very cool. And one more thing, what about your choice of music? What made you pick the music?
It's weird. I think I'm weird.
Okay.
And I think it was me.
Okay.
And my the new dance move I picked was the baby swipe.
The baby swipe?
That's what it's called.
Okay. Baby swipe. All right.